Stop buying 5 different cleaners. You only need one brown bottle. It's sitting in your bathroom right now. Hydrogen peroxide. Yes, the stuff for cuts and scrapes. It also kills mold, stains, odors, and bacteria. Better than products costing $20 a bottle. I tested it all over my own house. The results actually shocked me. Stay till the end of this video. Hack number 23 almost saved me from buying a new mattress. You don't want to miss the last few hacks. Here's what we're covering today. Kitchen hacks that kill bacteria, store cleaners miss. Bathroom hacks that erase mold without hard scrubbing. Stain removal that works on blood, wine, and sweat. Odor killers for trash cans and washing machines. 25 hacks total. Watch all the way through. The last few are the ones nobody talks about. Let's be honest for a second. Cleaning supplies are expensive. Mold spray, stain remover, disinfectant, odor eliminator. That's 4 separate bottles. $40 to $60 easy every single month. And half the time they don't even work. You spray it, you scrub, the stain stays right there. The mold comes back in a week, maybe less. Sound familiar? I was exactly the same. My cleaning cabinet looked like a tiny pharmacy. Then I found one cheap ingredient that replaced almost everything in it. Hydrogen peroxide. A basic 3% bottle costs about $1. You probably already own one right now. It's been sitting in your medicine cabinet, doing nothing. Just waiting around for the next cut or scrape. Turns out it's one of the most powerful cleaners on Earth. Hospitals use stronger versions to disinfect equipment. Some labs use it to sterilize entire rooms. And your bottle costs less than a candy bar. That's the secret big cleaning brands don't advertise. Here's why most store cleaners actually fail you. A lot of them just mask the problem. They add fragrance to cover up bad smells. They add bleach to whiten without fixing the real cause. Hydrogen peroxide works completely differently. It releases oxygen the moment it touches dirt or bacteria. That oxygen rips apart the walls of mold and germs. It also breaks the chemical bonds that cause deep stains. No harsh chemical smell left behind. No toxic fumes filling your bathroom. Just water and oxygen, that's it. Quick science, I promise it's simple. Hydrogen peroxide is written as H2O2. That's one extra oxygen atom compared to plain water. That extra atom is unstable and wants to escape fast. When it touches mold or bacteria, it tears them apart. This process is called oxidation. It's the same reaction that bleaches hair or rusts metal, except it's gentler and much safer inside your home. That's why it whitens, disinfects, and deodorizes all at once. 3 jobs from one single bottle. That's exactly what expensive cleaning companies hope you never learn. So what exactly should you buy? Nothing fancy at all. Standard 3% hydrogen peroxide, found in any pharmacy, grocery store, or dollar store. Usually under $2 for a full bottle. Look for the brown plastic bottle, not a clear one. The brown plastic blocks light from getting in. Light breaks down hydrogen peroxide really fast, so keep it in that brown bottle, stored somewhere dark. Never pour it into a clear spray bottle for storage. It loses its power within a few days if exposed to light. All right, let's get into the 25 hacks. Kitchen hacks first. This is where bacteria hides the most. Hack 1, your cutting board. Wood and plastic boards soak up raw meat juice. That juice carries salmonella and other nasty bacteria. Pour hydrogen peroxide straight onto the board. Let it bubble and sit for 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water. No more hidden bacteria living in the cracks. Hack 2, your kitchen sponge. Sponges are one of the dirtiest objects in your home. Soak it in a bowl of hydrogen peroxide for 10 minutes. It kills almost everything living inside it. Your $2 sponge now performs like a brand new one. Hack 3, garbage disposal odor. That rotten smell comes from trapped food bacteria. Pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide down the drain. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then run cold water. The smell disappears. No fake lemon spray needed. Hack 4, fridge mold and odor. Spills in the fridge breed mold fast in that cold, dark space. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a spray bottle. Spray every shelf and let it sit for a few minutes. Wipe clean with a cloth. Mold gone, smell gone. No bleach taste left on your food. Hack 5, stainless steel sink. Store sink cleaners. Just polish the surface and hide bacteria. Pour hydrogen peroxide directly onto the sink. Scrub gently with a soft sponge. It disinfects and shines at the same time. Watch the dull metal turn bright again. Hack 6, washing your vegetables. Pesticides and bacteria sit on fruit and veggie skin. Add a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide to a bowl of water. Soak your produce for 2 minutes. Rinse well before eating. Clean or produce without any soap residue. Hack 7, coffee mug and teapot stains. Those brown rings are nearly impossible to scrub off. Fill the mug with hydrogen peroxide and let it sit overnight. In the morning, rinse and watch the stain disappear. No scrubbing, no special mug cleaner needed. Now let's move into the bathroom. This room hides the most mold of any room in your house. Hack 8, toilet bowl rings. Pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bowl. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Scrub lightly with a brush. The yellow ring disappears without harsh toilet chemicals. Hack 9, grout mold between tiles. Grout traps moisture, which means mold loves it there. Pour hydrogen peroxide straight onto the grout lines. Let it bubble for 10 minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Watch black mold lines turn white again. Hack 10, shower curtain mold. Those black spots are mold feeding on soap and water. Spray hydrogen peroxide directly on the spots. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Wipe clean or toss it in the wash. No need to buy a brand new curtain. Hack 11, bathroom ceiling mold. Steam from showers causes mold to creep across ceilings. Mix hydrogen peroxide with water in a spray bottle. Spray the moldy area and leave it alone for 20 minutes. Wipe with a cloth on a stick or a sponge mop. No ladder scrubbing nightmare required. Hack 12, toothbrush holders. That cup sits wet all day, growing bacteria nonstop. Soak it in hydrogen peroxide for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Your toothbrush holder is finally actually clean. Hack 13, streak-free mirrors and windows. Spray hydrogen peroxide on the glass. Wipe with a lint-free cloth or newspaper. No streaks, no chemical haze, just clear glass. This works better than most blue window sprays. Hack 14, washing machine mold and odor. Front load washers trap moisture and grow mold inside the drum. Run an empty hot cycle with 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide added. The mold smell disappears completely. Your clothes stop smelling musty after washing. Hack 15, bathroom trash can odor. Bacteria builds up fast in small enclosed trash cans. Spray the inside with hydrogen peroxide. Let it sit, then rinse and dry. No more gag-inducing smell every time you open the lid. Now let's talk stain removal. This is where hydrogen peroxide truly outperforms expensive stain removers. Hack 16, blood stains. Pour hydrogen peroxide directly onto the fresh blood stain. Watch it bubble immediately as it breaks the stain apart. Blot with a clean cloth, don't rub it in. Repeat until the stain fades completely. This works even on stains that are already dried. Hack 17, wine stains on carpet. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide on the stain. Blot gently with a clean towel. Repeat 2 or 3 times. Red wine fades away without bleaching the carpet color. Hack 18, underarm sweat stains on white shirts. Those yellow stains come from a mix of sweat and deodorant. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Apply to the stain and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wash as usual. Yellow stains vanish even on shirts you thought were ruined. Hack 19, yellowed pillow stains. Drool and sweat turn white pillows yellow over time. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a little baking soda into a paste. Spread it on the stain and let sit for an hour. Wash and dry as normal. Your pillow looks brand new again. Hack 20, dingy white socks. Soak socks in a bucket with hydrogen peroxide and warm water. Let them sit for 30 minutes before washing. They come out bright white instead of gray. No expensive whitening detergent required. Hack 21, pet stains on carpet or furniture. Pet urine stains and smells are brutal to remove. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a small amount of dish soap. Apply directly to the stain and let sit 10 minutes. Blot dry with a clean towel. Stain and smell both disappear together. Now here are the final hacks. These are the ones almost nobody talks about online. Hack 22, humidifier mold. Humidifiers sit full of water, which means mold grows inside fast. Run hydrogen peroxide through the tank and let it sit for an hour. Rinse thoroughly before using again. You're no longer breathing in mold spores while you sleep. Hack 23, mattress stains and odor. Sweat and old stains soak deep into mattress fabric. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a small amount of dish soap and water. Spray lightly over the stained area, don't soak it. Let it air dry completely with a fan or open window. Stains fade and the musty smell disappears. This alone saved me from buying a brand new mattress. Hack 24, mold on windowsills. Condensation builds up on windowsills, especially in winter. Spray hydrogen peroxide along the sill and frame. Wipe clean after 10 minutes. Black mold spots vanish without harsh bleach fumes. Hack 25, yellowed plastic containers. Old food containers turn yellow and stained over time. Soak them in a mix of hydrogen peroxide and water. Let them sit in direct sunlight for a few hours. The yellowing fades and the plastic looks new again. So let's compare this to expensive cleaners. A name brand mold spray costs around $8. A name brand stain remover costs around $6. A name brand disinfectant spray costs around $7. That's over $20 for 3 separate bottles. One bottle of hydrogen peroxide costs about $1, and it does the job of all 3, sometimes better. I tested it side by side in my own bathroom. The mold spots faded just as fast as the name brand spray. The stains lifted just as well, sometimes faster. No strong chemical smell left in the room afterward. A few important safety tips before you start. Always test on a small, hidden area first. Some fabrics and colored materials can lighten slightly. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar or bleach. That combination creates a harmful gas. Keep it away from kids and pets, just like any cleaner. Wear gloves if you have sensitive skin. And always store it in that dark brown bottle. So there you have it. 25 hydrogen peroxide hacks in one single video. One bottle, multiple jobs, almost no cost at all. Mold, stains, odors, and bacteria all handled. If this video saved you some money today, smash that like button. Subscribe for more cheap fixes that actually work. Comment below and tell me which hack you're trying first. And remember, the biggest house problems usually have the smallest, cheapest fixes. You just have to know where to look. See you in the next video.